Hi everybody and welcome back to the hard reset info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how do you know if your device SOUNDCORE Select 2S speaker is charging. At first let me plug this speaker into my power outlet. Wait a moment. Just like that. And as I can see, the indicator, LED indicator is here. If it's red, it means that our speaker is now charging. And if you don't see this LED light, check if in your phone after some amount of time if the battery level increases. If it does, your speaker is charging. If it doesn't, you have to contact device support because your device is broken. Goodbye!